At this birthday, there was this friend of mine who had a big crush on one of my best friends. The only reason he was invited was also because he said, I'll buy you an iPod Nano.
Can I you?
Where are you going in Lonavala?
I don't know. It's a surprise.
It's nice now when somebody
Yeah.
has a stable job.
Yeah, it is very nice. I must
I
say.
was riding my cycle with my friends in my society. Mid-cycling, my cycle disintegrated. Dude, the wheel came off, the handle came to my hand. I just cut. I was on the floor and 7 pieces.
तो मैं साइकिल करके जाता था मेरे बर्थडे पे कि मैं जा रहा हूँ मैकडॉनल्ड्स पे और दोनों बार साइकिल चोरी हो गई और मैं
तुम लोग का क्या है भाई? इतना क्या चोरी हो जा रहा है?
What if Ronald McDonald came and stole your bike?
कोई जबरदस्ती रिटर्न गिफ्ट लिया तेरे से.
remember how we are nominated for a podcast award.
Yeah.
Then she's like, okay, so regarding Spender Bender, would you be attending the event? 4,999! A pass! 5,000!
Podmasters, how are you and Guns N' Roses priced the same?
सेविंग्स में से पैसे निकाल रहा था किस चीज के लिए पॉडमास्टर बनने के लिए Hello. Welcome back to Spender Bender. My name is Hoshang. This is Gogo. That's Antariksh.
Ant-Man. I like Ant-Man.
No,
And Gogo
I
is
don't want to
nice.
call him Gogo.
Go.
Yeah.
Ho and go.
Yeah, that's why Spender Bender between go and ho. A common friend of ours calls him Gogo and he hates it.
Oh,
And
really?
recently we were at a birthday party where she called him Gogo in front of his acquaintances.
No, Uruj, Pavitra, all of them.
Gogo?
I mean, they've been on the show only.
He became crime master suddenly.
Gogo,
Uruj
Crime
is-
Master
आंखें
Gogo.
निकाल के गोटियां खेलता.
Uruj just started calling me Gogo.
That's
Pavitra
hilarious.
started calling me Gogo. It fucking
I love
sucks.
The writing duo go ho.
You are the only thing which is different. Agar if it was just the two of us, go and ho jate hain. Welcome to Spender Bender Feet. Go and ho. Go and ho. That is
Go ho.
Go and ho. Featuring Go and ho.
Go and ho. Actually, go and ho.
That's the best.
Go and ho is great. But yeah, welcome to this episode.
Welcome.
This is
Also-
number 33, I'm guessing.
33, 34 doesn't
33,
matter.
34. Yeah, no, it's
But
just great. We've
We are
crossed
still
30.
at it because we haven't uploaded, like we hadn't uploaded in 2 weeks, and there are some comments be like, "कर दिया क्या? बंद हो गया क्या?
हाँ,
खत्म हो
It's
गया?"
about time. Yes.
Yeah, somebody sent me a DM being like, "I was really scared till I saw your post. मुझे लगा हो गया तुम्हारे पैसे खत्म."
Yeah.
Which makes
It's-
sense.
Makes sense. Makes
Absolutely
sense.
fair.
Makes sense. Like each time you can see कि हम लोग का production budget क्या है. वहाँ पे हमने bedsheet डाला है इस
Yes.
अंतरिक्ष के
Oh,
पीछे.
that's actually a curtain.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a
That's a
curtain.
curtain.
Or
That's a curtain and that's a bedsheet behind it.
the wallpaper is a bedsheet. The wallpaper. Dude, I'll tell you how much our production budget is. ये सब किया. We changed the sofas. We changed the wallpaper. जो भी हो, we divided that up. I had to take an extra project to make that money
that
back.
money
I was
back,
like,
yeah. Yeah.
fuck, I can't spend
Yeah,
this
yeah,
much.
Like,
sure.
I wrote an ad for Disney Cruise Line which doesn't even go from India. वो सिंगापुर से जाती है. That's how far I had to go to get some money.
Okay, I only had to be like, go for Guns N' Roses, please go for country. That's what I did on stories. You know, sometimes I put these stories where I'm like, hey guys, do this, and I get replies being like, how did they give this to you? You're not selling anything. There is no way.
This
People
is
are like,
making
oh, Govind saying it. I'll buy. No one is convinced. but I mean, great. Thank you. I mean, people are getting convinced. If
Yeah,
brands are
please
watching,
get convinced.
people are getting convinced. I swear to God, they're getting convinced.
But dude, it was Antariksh's birthday yesterday.
Yes.
So yes, happy birthday,
Happy birthday,
Antariksh.
Antariksh. He's old as
This
fuck.
Dudes, you both of you are so old.
Dude, we were,
You're-
that's literally
4 years, sure.
Yeah, exactly.
That
But
doesn't matter once you cross 25.
it does a little. I'm still like a few years ahead.
Hoshang says that to every 20-year-old. It doesn't
Yeah.
matter once you go past 20.
Iski bill.
That's the Billy. See, that's why 30-year-olds don't have to worry about cats. Oh, you do. Oh, shit, you have a cat.
I still
Ah,
have
fuck,
that.
it doesn't work.
What, you
Damn it.
think after 30 years old,
Cats
people
can just
kill
die.
their fucking
Cat can
pets
just die,
or
yeah,
what?
dude. Yeah.
People kill their pets after 30. After
Yeah.
30, no cats.
No cats.
Dude, I thought कि बंद हो गई होगी. She's just being noisy. She's
Just
just
sitting.
sitting on the chair and meowing. She just wanted to see my face.
Oh, it's so cute.
That's
Stop
actually
now.
pretty cute. I like that.
Yeah, but back to that, you
Yeah.
after 25,
Yeah.
27, chal.
Yeah.
It does not matter. Okay,
I mean,
listen.
as long as I can say I'm in my 20s.
No,
like,
no,
let
I'll
me
give
just
you.
have that.
I'll
I
give
know
you,
you're right.
No, I'll give you a perspective. When
Yeah.
I'm 55,
Yeah.
50, chal, 54,
हाँ.
I'm going to be 50. It's the fucking.
अरे
who
but वो
cares
तो अभी
after
थोड़े
that?
साल में भी हो जाएगा भाई. तू 35, 36 का होगा. I'll be 31. It's will be the
24
same.
is the last year of youth, they say. I
Who's
love this
saying it?
fact.
Really?
Like when you look up what
Yeah, who
till,
says?
till
Yeah.
when are you a youth?
Oh.
24.
24 is.
What
You're
I've
past
heard is
your
your
youth.
brain stops developing at 25, which is scary for me.
That,
Oh, shit.
your brain stopped
Ah.
developing way back, dude. This is it. Yeah,
I
sometimes I think about it. But I'm like, my brain's done developing.
This is it.
Your
This is
brain-
bullshit.
Yeah,
Exactly.
you've shared with us that you used to drink heavily at 13 years of age. Your, I think, brain
I
stopped
know,
developing.
that was
So
him.
that was you. Oh shit, I
That was
completely
him.
got you guys confused.
I used to drink heavily at like early
And bite
20s.
people, yeah, that's what I was-
You- yeah, he was biting.
24. When my brain was nearly done developing, I was biting people in clubs.
That's you with a fully developed brain.
I was getting drunk and then worrying about homework the next day.
यार आज बहुत पी लिया कल मैथ्स होमवर्क करेंगे
That's mad, huh? Ki you're drunk and you're like, oh fuck, homework baki hai. Never had that. Actually, in college I had that कि काम बाकी है. But college वाला अलग होता है.
It's like
Yeah.
you have to submit something. This is like legit
School.
homework.
You have
Like,
to
I had
go wear
copy-
uniform after that dude.
Yeah, exactly. You have to put on a
Dude, you're
uniform.
hungover and wearing a uniform.
the next day.
What?
That is wild dude.
That is wild. Did you have this? This is what I wanted to try.
Amazing segue.
Yeah. This is Fast and Up is a company. If you guys didn't know, they make like very random stuff. This is a tablet for instant hangover relief, and
Instant?
It's not instant.
Okay.
But I'm not sure. What, like, I think you're supposed to have this. This is supposed to be your last drink. Like, you're supposed to put this tablet.
In the drink itself, you're
No,
supposed
अरे
to put
नहीं
it.
भाई,
No, no,
ये
in
क्या है?
water,
तूने
water,
बोला ना
in a
last
glass of
water.
water.
हाँ तो ड्रिंक मतलब खाली अल्कोहल नहीं होता ना नॉर्मल ड्रिंक
Oh, acha, immediately after drinking, not like the next
when
morning.
you're done with drinking
okay,
you're
okay,
home
okay.
and you're going to sleep
Yeah.
But
this you put this tablet in
Yeah.
a glass of water
Yeah.
and you have it. I'm not sure if this works.
also, by the time you're done drinking, you'll forget.
Exactly,
I have to
that's
do
what
this.
I'm gonna-
And I'm
I
that
mean,
drunk, and
I
I then
think-
need a hangover cure.
I think it's for people who can drink responsibly.
Oh, okay.
There's not people who are blacking out.
Yeah.
Sure,
If I
yeah.
bite a
Same
guy, there's after that I'm not going to be like, मेरे tablet ले लेता हूँ hangover के लिए.
Yeah,
I'm
I want
done.
that. Yeah, I want to forget that. Dude. I don't
I'm
remember.
done after that. I don't
hilarious.
remember. This is for like normal. You drank a lot, but you still can.
Can I see it?
Yeah. But I don't know if it works. I've tried it. The next day, thoda bacha tha, but I'm not sure. I drink also like in a way where like a normal 30-year-old drinks where
I wouldn't know about it, though.
I have water after every drink and
Yeah,
like
yeah.
I eat a lot
Yeah.
like, because I'm just scared of a hangover now.
Then
So-
I don't think the next time you have a hangover, you just have a regular old man headache. I don't
Yeah,
think
you
it
get a
works for
normal. I
that.
don't know if this works. I had a. It's expensive, like 200-300 something. How much is this for?
And how
Why
many
does it say
tablets?
350 rupees.
How
This
many
is for-
tablets?
I'm not sure. Like रहेंगे थोड़े.
It's called night out for a fresh morning after.
Yeah.
Wow.
And I had one
Yeah.
of these रखा हुआ था और जब बंदर मेरे घर आया last
course,
जब बंदर घर आया
Yeah.
this is what hurt the most क्योंकि वो लोग ने और भी चीजें फेंके थे नीचे
हाँ.
but they took the tablets and नीचे Sprite pour किया था ना throughout
Yeah,
the
yeah,
house
yeah, yeah.
उसके ऊपर फेंका and the tablets bloated up each tablet they wasted the whole thing.
Wow.
I don't know why
Why?
they didn't touch one glass.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Maybe
They didn't
the
break.
monkeys were drunk, dude. I think that's why they ransacked your house
Sprite,
also.
night out, hangover tablet.
Just the regular boys out, dude.
How
Just
do
the
they know
boys
to do
outing.
that? That's fascinating.
Dude, that's
dude.
actually insane. Kyunki,
Yeah.
Try opening this. Try opening this.
Okay.
Like, okay, I'll hold this. Try opening it.
I have no idea how to.
That's what I'm saying. It's
turn
not,
open doesn't.
It's not
That's
as easy.
insane that
That
a
is insane,
monkey
dude.
could figure it out and
I'm not
Antriksh, you
saying-
couldn't.
Even I couldn't
I
for
got
a
it.
while.
Oh, this is damn difficult.
I
for a monkey, dude.
know. It's
How
very
is this
difficult.
possible?
It's very difficult. I don't know how a monkey opened it.
That is insane.
And spread it out. 2 लिविंग रूम में थे, 2 बालकनी में थे, 2 मेरे बेडरूम में थे और हर जगह स्प्राइट भी था तो उसके ऊपर ही डाला हुआ था.
Some smoke came out of it.
Smoke came
smoke
out
नहीं
of
actually,
it.
I think
अच्छा
it's the
हाँ
particles,
particles.
yeah,
dust.
Powder.
Powder.
It's called cocaine.
Yeah, that's how you get out of the hangover.
That's the
They
hangover
just give
cure,
you
guys.
cocaine.
You heard it here first. That's the hangover cure.
Just out of hangover.
Yeah. Why doesn't Fast Enough start cocaine tablets? Can it sell like hotcakes, dude?
The last thing you have before you sleep,
Yeah.
cocaine. Then
Hey,
you go
man.
to sleep.
Hey.
So when you have tried these, have you
I've
gotten
had it.
really drunk recently?
I mean, I got drunk recently, and then I had this the next morning. थोड़ा सा वो सरदर्द था, but
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know if it's because I kept having water
Yeah,
also.
yeah.
I don't know. I'm very scared to go all out and then test कि ये चलता है. I'm not
That's
gonna
true.
do
Man,
that.
I want to be that tester actually.
Yeah.
Like your job requirement is
Get
fucking
drunk.
sloshed
Yeah,
that night.
correct.
So the next
Yeah.
No man,
morning.
in your 30s the hangovers are way worse. So I just.
But don't you
cannot.
always just find that I know after a hangover you don't feel like eating.
Yeah.
But basically having a good breakfast
Yeah.
is the best hangover cure. Always.
Yeah.
That's what my mom said. I don't know.
No, there
That's
are
what
a
you always
bunch
feel
of
like.
things I now know what to do. First, immediately brush my teeth. I don't know
Yeah.
how that helps, but it helps. And then I take a shower, then eat something,
Okay.
then have a nice coffee.
Yeah. Yeah, see this is all I
And
think
water, a lot
by
of
this time
water.
you should be hangover done,
Yeah.
I think, right?
Yeah.
You
If
know,
you,
Yeah.
what I was just thinking when you said breakfast, when I used to get drunk when I was 13, 14, the next day my breakfast would be my tiffin in school.
Jam, bread jam.
dude, tiffin is mad. How
Yeah.
I don't know how you can be hungover in the morning
Well,
and
again-
go to school.
People who listen to the history of the who
Yeah,
knows been
yeah.
watching Spender Bender will know that Hoshang also used to have a pen selling business.
Yeah,
all at
That
the
was
same
way
time.
before I started drinking.
Oh,
I
okay.
was
that
like,
was way before.
yeah, I was like 4th or 5th grade at the time.
Oh wow.
Dude, you grow up early in small towns, okay?
You peaked too early.
Yeah.
And by
Yeah.
that, I don't mean you were cool in school.
No,
you
no.
did business and you drank.
It's a stressful
Oh,
time, dude. What do I
Wow,
tell you?
man.
Dude, these things I didn't know they even existed
Yeah.
at that age.
You
I
just get
wasn't-
exposed to so many things.
I remember in 9th standard or something, I think one of my classmates told me he smoked cigarettes, and I was like, "What are you doing, dude?
Yeah.
No, you're not supposed to do all the." 4 years later, I was also smoking.
yeah,
But then 4 years later, I was also smoking.
I used to drink, but I would look down on people who were smoking. Like, cheap, dude.
See.
That's so
I used to
uncool.
cough when smokers used to, like, if I'm walking around smokers.
You like pointed.
It's the most
that pointed
disgusting thing you can do.
Wow.
I mean, it's a good thing you can, but there's no need
Yeah,
to do that.
of
Like,
course.
then
Even now,
later,
there
I
is
got addicted to cigarettes. I was like, man, I was a dick. Why was I doing that to cigarette people?
Which
who
was
were
the
smoking?
first cigarette you smoked?
Oh yeah, I forgot to do that. I started making it a part of my set now.
Yeah.
It was a chocolate cigarette.
What?
Same! Mons? Mons?
Yeah.
Same, dude!
Yeah. You don't know that?
I know the chocolate cigarette. How was that the first one? Not
That
So
so.
I'll tell you what detour some what do you call it? College fest, Jai Hind ka college fest. We were there,
And they were just distributing
I mean,
ones?
my friend, no man, no
Oh,
one was
okay.
फेस्ट में
distributing.
सिगरेट्स नहीं डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते भाई रेड बुल करते
Red Bull
best.
करते हैं. I
cigarette
thought
का-
you guys
cigarette
that good a
college.
college.
क्या लग रहा है? क्या हो रहा है?
I thought it's Hoshang School or something. Foundation.
This is
school.
Jai Hind. But then वहाँ पे my friend was going to smoke a cigarette and I was the my अरे क्या होता था CL college representative जो भी from
CL?
Thakur College.
CR हुआ ना
ICR
college representative तो CR
I
हुआ.
know, but I thought representative के अलावा जो
Okay,
भी हो
okay, never
college
mind,
से
yeah.
I was Thakur College का ये
Yeah.
and वहाँ पर I thought I had a lot of stress which was just कि fashion show में हम जीतेंगे कि नहीं ये था मेरा stress but then my friend was like cigarette पीने जा रहा हूँ I was like मैं तेरे साथ आता हूँ and then I was like मैं भी ट्राई कर लेता हूँ and then I was like पूरा सिगरेट नहीं फूकना है यार मेरे को तो I took the chocolate and I was like ये क्या सिगरेट क्या सही है यार ये
ये होता है
Same,
cigarette.
same.
chocolate. Then I had it 1 or 2 more times. And then I was like, I don't think I can continue having chocolate cigarettes. I need to be a little more manly.
Man.
And then I had a normal cigarette. It sucked.
Yeah,
It
of course it
sucked.
did.
So
Of
bad.
course it did.
Which is why it took a year for me to get addicted. I didn't stop, but
Because
I
you're
had...
smoking non-cigarettes. Like this is still a cigarette. There's tobacco, but वही मैंने berry flavor, strawberry, coconut सब try किए Monster. Green apple was my go-to flavor.
बहुत सही होता है,
Yeah,
dude.
wow.
It's so
Like,
tasty. It's so tasty. It's just like having a Eclairs
Yeah,
and then smoking.
and then from that I went directly to Marlboro Reds. Like there's no in
Very
between
hard,
for
dude.
me.
Wow. That must have been headache inducing at first.
Yeah. Why
For
did
sure.
you start smoking? Because your friend was smoking.
I was just like, देख लेते हैं. I'd
Ah.
stopped. I wasn't smoking. I wasn't planning on
Yeah.
smoking, but I had this fucking chocolate cigarette. Then I
Yeah,
just got
yeah,
into
yeah.
it, dude. It just, I thought I had stress. I was just like, ये stress से मैं
मैं
दूर
तो
हटता हूँ.
उस time
Fashion show जीते भी नहीं, by the way. तो
because of your cigarette smoking. You know, there's someone saw you. Like, is this how you represent your
At
school?
college, you see your
Chocolate cigarette. Yeah, they were like, is this guy? This guy with a chocolate cigarette?
No.
He's
That
the
is not-
CL.
This is not fashionable at all.
at all. I started smoking cigarettes because I had this was again in school, but like after I quit drinking, okay? So this is I'm 16, 17 now. And I had a crush on someone who was seeing somebody at the time who used to smoke cigarettes. I'm like, is that why? Like, because he's cool. So I'll also smoke cigarettes. And then I smoked the chocolate one and that.
Yeah, it's
They
just
make it-
because everyone
Oh.
else around me was
Yeah.
smoking. I
That's how
also
Yeah.
women
started.
ruin your life.
Yeah,
She
that's
just
bad.
started
No,
smoking.
actually, no,
because
right.
of her-
She did not. No, you were very
You know what's really funny? You
Yeah.
keep saying drinking, smoking, ye wo. The same time you also say things that kids say ki, I had a crush. I had a crush on this girl. And while I was downing pegs and smoking my
Yeah.
Marlboro Reds, I had a crush.
This 13-year-old knows what sorrow is. Just drinking alone in a bar and shit, dude. It's hilarious.
Wait, Andresh, how old are you now?
33.
Boom!
Wow. So
Shit,
what-
I should have said 50. So people are like, oh, you look great for 50. I love that.
Yeah, just keep. I'm
Just keep
80.
it.
I'm actually
Yeah,
80.
Yeah, wow, you're full black hair, dude. It's fucking awesome.
Actually, I have grey
Yeah,
hair
yeah.
now, but yeah.
मेरे भी आ गए थोड़े grey.
आते हैं भाई
Yeah, I
एज
made-
में आता है
अरे
तेरा
तो
जो
क्या
बुढ़ा
बकवास
बुढ़ापा
मत
वाला
कर।
एज है
Wait, what did you do on your birthday? Man, this was the first
yeah.
birthday
Yeah.
after
After
marriage.
yes.
Yeah.
So she has an elaborate thing planned for this weekend. We're going out of town to Lonavala.
Okay.
Because again, reliving the wedding also happened in Lonavala, so
Yeah.
reliving that also the thing. But before that, 2 weeks prior, we celebrated my birthday by going for fucking Himesh. That was an early birthday present to me. Okay.
Oh, that was your birthday.
Fucking baller.
How much were the tickets for?
We got super early bird, 1,000. The main whatever
What do you
thing
mean
was.
super? Before Himesh also knew the show.
Early bird, like the day the tickets came out.
Andresh
Acha.
texted
That day.
Himesh actually.
Himesh bro, it's my birthday's coming up.
I've never heard a super early bird. Like
I was
early
like,
bird.
oh, Huzur, give me a free ticket.
How much were they for?
Dude, 1,000.
Not
Yeah,
bad at
what
all.
a steal. Dude, I swear to God, even at a Coldplay concert,
Yeah.
I imagine because I haven't gone.
Yeah, same.
I think even at a Coldplay concert, nobody knows more than 4 or 5 songs at
No,
most.
no, I'm sure, dude. Like fans.
There are
fans?
big
Again,
fans.
but
No,
how
dude.
many?
No,
the
there'll be
average person
many.
who's attending the concert doesn't know
There'll
more
be
than
many. Like for the Green Day concert, I knew 98% of the
Same.
songs.
Really?
Same. I knew
Okay, that's
90.
impressive.
I knew 90.
Here, people knew 100% of
Yeah.
every song.
Yeah.
Singing along. It was a fucking. I've never seen a Hindi music concert mosh pit
That's
happening.
true.
Okay?
That's
Mosh
true.
pit?
Mosh
Like, in the
pit, wait,
sense,
hold on.
in the sense, people like not a true like rock mosh pit, but
Okay.
people were entire big. Circles
Yeah.
had been formed of people, random strangers, just together, just dancing together in a huddle. Amazing, amazing.
That's a fuck all mosh pit.
But
Oh,
yeah,
That
dancing, it's like,
dancing.
yeah.
What are you jumping
No,
into?
but there are like other like Chakkarna, all those songs.
I'm trying to imagine this, what the mosh pit look
what
like.
Are the,
It's not a mosh pit, but
it's
it's very sweet.
very
nice.
sweet, very
Yeah,
sweet.
yeah,
Yeah,
It's not a
very.
mosh pit.
Yeah.
Circle bana ke.
Yeah.
Like, eh.
Oh,
But I'm sure
Yeah.
it was fun,
it
dude.
was damn
Himesh.
fun.
I saw
You
all
guys
the
saw the
stories.
reels, right?
Yeah, I
Yeah,
saw a
reels.
bunch of reels.
So reels tell you all about the good stuff. Fucking epic. The concert was great. Nobody
Yeah.
will in the reel about a concert tell you that there were some fuck ups also. That things
course there were.
that
Like
you
what? Like what?
Okay, like for instance, okay, this is a qualm I had.
Yeah.
Himesh, okay,
Yeah.
fucking firstly he can belt, okay, he's amazing at fucking singing live, great performer.
Hmm.
But he has more than 2,000 songs and he keeps repeating this fact on stage.
He has more than 2,000
That's
songs.
what he says. Okay, but also he composed, right? He didn't just sing.
Ah,
He's
yeah,
composed
yeah,
like Tere Naam and all
Yeah,
that, you
yeah,
know?
yeah.
So and great music and all. So he has more than 2,000 songs. He keeps repeating this fact, okay? But he keeps firstly each song lasted for 10-12 minutes, which you don't want. Okay?
Where he just keeps
kept
repeating?
stretching it.
Oh.
Okay? And the first 5 songs or maybe the first 6 songs, he repeated as a medley at the end. Why are you repeating songs?
But
Why the
was there an
fuck would you repeat
encore when
songs?
people wanted him?
Yeah,
Like the
repeated
same
how?
song, he just sped it up and sang it as like a medley at the end. You know, like 2-3 songs, 4-5 songs combined in one
Huh?
tune. Yeah, he just did that shit.
But 2000 गाने भाई कुछ और बना ले.
Exactly, dude. I had so many songs I wanted to hear. Like he didn't sing. Like one of my favorite Himesh songs is "Chalao na naino se baan re."
Oh, that's his?
No
Yeah, that's
idea.
his.
Oh,
I
okay.
love that song, and he did not sing it. I was very sad.
That doesn't
I mean, but
sound like
to
a
be
song
fair,
he'd
Himesh did
sing.
not know that you were going for your birthday there. No, तो तेरे
That's
को
also
please
true.
नहीं कर रहा था वहाँ
That's
पे.
also true. I mean, but all in all, yes, a very good concert.
Yeah.
And great birthday.
Where
Valentine.
was the like GA?
Uh,
Was it General
so
Access?
It was general access, but he had also again about branding, right?
Yeah,
he
I
did
saw what
branding
you're
very
talking-
well.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
firstly, in the ticket they had written, "K please make sure you come a little early before the show because there's a surprise for anyone who comes early."
Okay.
we were thinking it'll be caps.
Yeah.
They were, of course, caps.
Like everyone
Every
got
single
free-
person got
Hey,
a cap
Shahad
which said
bought
HR.
a cap.
Huh?
Shahad
Yeah,
and
I'm sure
Uruj
people-
bought a cap.
They bought a cap
yeah.
for this concert?
Yeah.
I'm sure people didn't know. A lot of
Ah,
people
lot-
might have
yeah,
bought caps.
yeah.
They said surprise. They should have
Yeah,
just said
yeah,
we're giving
yeah,
caps.
yeah,
Don't
yeah,
buy
exactly.
caps.
But I must say, the worst quality caps possible.
course.
अरे,
It's
इतना
to
लोगों
everyone,
को-
yeah. But dude, it's so bad that मैं निकाला मेरे यहाँ पे सब black paint है. They just
Oh.
dipped the cap in all black, black and
Why
glitter.
didn't you just buy black
I don't
cap?
know. I absolutely exactly right. It didn't make no any sense. It's just black, like all black. चूरा मेरे यहाँ पे माथे
What
पे
the
है, हाथ
fuck?
पे है. Yeah, dude, that's the fucking HR cap. It's They had named each zone according to like a popular song.
Yeah,
Surur
yeah,
zone,
yeah.
the
Acha.
Badass Lounge, all this crazy stuff.
Yeah.
We were in all, most of us were in Surur.
1000 रुपए में यही कैप
हाँ,
मिलेगा
ठीक
ना
है.
तेरे को
हाँ,
उसमें भी वो
that's
लोग
also
इंक्लूड
fair.
करना
That's
है
But
कैप
he
also
का
bought
fair.
the
प्राइस.
super early.
Super early.
super early.
There was people who bought like the 5K whatever.
Yeah.
it
Good
was.
thing Shahad and Uruj
Yeah, fair.
bought a cap.
Actually, what I like about your stories, like your birthday stuff, that nothing happened on the day of his birthday.
हाँ,
what
एक
did he
हफ्ते
do on your
पहले
birthday?
Just
और
cut a
एक
cake.
हफ्ते बाद.
Just cut a cake with family. Stayed at home. Ordered in fucking kebabs and all. You know, good times.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Is that what happened after like you get married and all?
Yeah, no, he on his birthday he called me
Yeah.
and he was like, "Hey, can you check this TIS the
I was
internet
working-
said
I was
so
working on
video?"
my birthday, yes.
He's like- And before that, I was like, "Hey, happy birthday, man!" When he called me, and he's like, "Yeah, thanks, dude. Can you check this video?" I was like,
That's
"Dude,
true,
what?
That's true. I was working. Yeah.
Why are you working? Just fucking chill, na. It's your birthday."
So I had to work so that I don't have to take work with me on my weekend. On
Yeah.
this weekend because we're going out of town. So that's why I was working overtime.
Okay.
But
Where are
what
you going in Lonavala?
I don't know. It's a surprise. I'll
Oh,
let you know
she's
now. next
planned
week. Yeah,
everything.
she's planned something.
It's nice now when somebody
Yeah.
has a stable job.
Yeah, it is very nice. I must say, it is. I don't know what I'd do without her.
One
Baby, I
person
love you.
2 days.
We love
2
you,
days.
Keith.
Saturday, Sunday. Yeah.
Saturday, Sunday.
She has a job. She has to make that money. Dude.
Nice.
But were you guys big into birthdays growing up? I know you.
I'm though still not. I'm
you,
Yeah.
you were never into birthdays.
I think it's because बचपन में भी थोड़ा सा किया था but
Yeah.
after that I have not celebrated so it just became a thing कि I'm not I don't really
Were your
care.
parents into birthdays, like your birthdays or your brother's
I don't
birthdays?
think that much
Yeah.
बचपन में तो yes
हाँ.
I mean sure I
हाँ,
had
पहले
friends
दूसरे
over
birthday में of course
नहीं
भाई.
उसके बाद भी 5-6 वाले में भी मतलब 5th 6th बर्थडे में भी मेरे दोस्त आते थे पाव भाजी वो सब वाला चलता था
हाँ,
उसके
हाँ.
बाद से I
Pineapple
only
cake,
didn't
wafers.
care much about my birthday and then it just became like the older I got I was like now to lesser I care about my birthday because what 32
There is a certain level of as you grow older, because you know you're growing older. I don't know what happens to me at least.
Yeah.
There's a certain level of awkwardness on your own birthday. The day it's your birthday, you feel like a certain level of, you know.
What do you mean?
It's like you
Like
don't feel
awkwardness in
happy.
what, sir?
Happy.
Okay.
yeah
There's-
Yeah, I'm not
like,
happy
I'm
on my
happy for
birthday.
my friends' birthdays. I'm like,
Huh.
oh great, dude,
Yeah,
fucking it's
yeah,
your birthday, let's
yeah.
go out, celebrate. Fucking,
Yeah.
hey, what are you talking about? How are you not happy on your own birthday? But when it's my own birthday,
yeah. I'm like,
I'm
oh,
like,
that's
yeah, I'm
now.
not-
Oh, that's
I
how
don't
I'm
know.
not.
There's
happy.
so
I know
many
that.
things I wanted to do this past year, or I thought I would have achieved
Yeah.
So you
And
already
in my
get
life. at this
existential
point.
then.
Yeah.
And also,
Oh,
I
yeah.
don't like how on that day everyone's like, hi, happy birthday. I'm like, man,
Yeah.
shut
This time
up.
Exactly,
I wasn't
Shut
this
up.
time,
Exactly.
so.
No,
Exactly.
I'm saying in general,
Yeah.
people be like, oh my god, hi, happy. I'm like, I don't want any of this.
Exactly,
Just
dude. That's exactly
throughout the year, if I'm not
Yeah.
like talking to them too much, I'm like, just don't. It's okay, dude. I don't like that fake attention for one day.
I love it. I want all the
And
birthdays.
anyway, we do the podcast, stand up,
Yeah, yeah,
all of
yeah.
it. I get enough validation throughout the
true.
year. I don't want
I
that
just
one
like
day of validation.
birthdays. I don't know why. Like I think because my parents were huge into birthdays. Especially like growing up, to har saal like there was like a big party all the time. Like I would get these amazing cakes from everywhere. Like they would invite everyone. It was a lot
That's
of fun. I
fun.
really enjoyed that. Dude, one time I remember. So this is, I think I was 15, 16, okay? And
Oh, when you were a heavy drinker.
Heavy smoker.
Heavy smoker. Sorry.
But this was like a sober birthday, okay? Like this is where like I just taken my friends because my parents bought me a phone, so they're like, no more birthday party this time around. We'll get you a phone.
Everything you say is so different from what happened to me when I was 15, dude. Phone,
Yeah.
cigarette, daru,
And
business.
they bought me this touch. Nokia had just started releasing the touchscreen phone with stylus. So I remember the phone also, Nokia 52333, and it would have these changeable back panels.
Okay.
Black, blue, red. Okay, I got this phone, very happy. And then I just took my friends to one of the malls, to food court or yes sir. There, I lost the phone. Okay, like 2 days old phone, I lost it. At this birthday, there was this friend of mine, I don't remember his name now, but there was this friend of mine who had a big crush on one of my best friends. Okay, so he just wanted to be close to me so that he
so
could be
that you
around
could-
her.
Yeah.
You knew this?
Huh?
You
Yeah,
knew
yeah,
this?
yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
you knew this.
The only reason he was invited was also because he said, I'll buy you an iPod Nano.
He loved your friend so much, dude. This guy was crazy. What? An iPod? How does he have the money at that age?
No,
Black
no
money,
idea.
dude.
Yeah, no idea how he was stealing whatever he was doing, but he had that much money, and we knew he had money.
Wow.
So he told me, I'll buy you an iPod Nano. Like, yeah, dude, come for my birthday.
You're my best friend, dude. Yeah.
So we went to the
Hey,
Apple
can I
store.
fuck you? Does that work, dude? I can't get you with my friend and all what.
So we went to one of the like these reseller Apple stores, and वहाँ पे मैंने choose कर लिया कि okay, this is the iPod I want to buy, but we'll come back after we are done with eating and all. Then at the food court, I lost my phone and I started freaking out. I'm like,
course,
fuck,
yeah.
I'm gonna tell my mom. कि
Yeah, of
phone
course,
अभी
dude.
दिलाया खो दिया. So I just told him, hey, dude, just buy me the phone instead.
You know, sometimes.
What a waste, dude. What a waste. You can't even ask him for a better phone. It's like because you have to go for the exact same.
Oh, did you go for the same phone?
Yeah.
Yeah,
had
of
to.
course, because I can't tell my mom कि मैं change करा
that
ले
is
आया.
such a waste, dude.
Oh yeah, I didn't think about that.
I had to get the same color also. I wanted a different color, but I couldn't.
Like
It had to
back
be the
panel is
exact
changeable.
same. I had to throw the box away. Just the phone.
You can't come back with an extra charger also.
Oh man, but
Just bought me the phone.
sometimes I'm not sure if you've told me something on the podcast or in live because I don't know if you told me in real life.
I've told
In
you.
real
Oh,
life,
yeah, in real
yeah, because I was like, hey, you told me. I was like, wait, we also talk beyond the
Yeah,
podcast.
that's true, yeah.
Anything you also say.
Yeah, that's true.
That's why we
So-
have this show because we would just talk about money.
Yeah.
Like, let's just record that.
Oh
How-
man,
did you ever get that lost phone back?
No,
You lost it
never.
at the food court.
where
We
did you?
tried finding it. It wasn't like, yo, chalo,
You-
kho gaya, naya phone le lete hain. We tried looking for it. We looked at the CCTV footage, but we just couldn't
You
find
lost it in the mall only. I'm
in the
guessing.
mall, there was on the ground floor there was a CCD, and we were just like resting there, and I think I forgot it, and by the time I came back, it was gone.
Man, I used to do a bit about bit about losing my second phone. I've lost 2 phones in my life. Okay,
That's
one
it?
is.
I've never lost a phone.
so see,
except
I've
for
lost-
that
I've
one.
Oh,
lost
I've lost
three-
4 phones.
I've lost
Never
3
lost
phones.
My
I've lost three
backup phone I lost after I
You had a
lost my
backup
phone. I lost a phone, then I got another phone. मतलब backup wala phone
Yeah.
until I got a new phone.
Yeah.
I lost that also.
Oh,
So-
great.
Oh.
Huh,
So I've lost 3 actually. One
Sale
fell.
jhoote.
No, one fell in a cab, and I got out of the cab
Yeah.
at coming back from Kolkata to Bombay. So I got off at the airport at Kolkata,
yeah.
and the cab just left, and my flight was in like 30 minutes or whatever, an
Yeah.
hour, whatever my flight is. So lost that there. The second one I lost while running behind a bus. There was a crowd running behind a bus with me. Okay, and someone literally, I could feel them slide their hand in my pocket.
While running?
Yeah, while running and take the phone out. But there were so many people, they were so good at the sleight of hand thing, I couldn't understand who it was. So I made like a big scene. Now I don't know whether to get on the bus because is the guy gonna get on the bus or he's gonna stay out of the bus. So I got on, I made a big scene, like now people are pissed at me. मेरे को कैसे बोला कि मैंने लिया, मैं गुस्सा
Yeah,
हूँ.
yeah, because you can't just be like, sub check
Yeah,
karao.
exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
That's fucking
But did you
what
do
a
that?
tactic.
I did. I had to.
You made everyone?
But no, only like 2 people because everyone has just started like buying tickets and I'm like, oh fuck, what do I do? And then I got off.
That's what a tactic, dude.
Yeah.
Just run and then just take
Yeah.
and then go.
Yeah,
Just
dude.
leave.
Insane. The third time I lost my phone.
Yeah.
Okay, this I used to do a bit about was I went to my Bank of India. Okay, and I was filling a form.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
Bank of India, shout out.
Shout
Oh,
out, bro.
shout out to the worst bank.
For him,
For
we'll
the-
take
the
your
worst.
money, dude.
Bench
Take it
of the
back.
worst. So I go to the bank. I'm filling a form. So you know how sometimes you look at details on your phone
Yeah,
because
yeah.
your account information is on your phone.
Yeah.
So I'm filling the form with the thing. My phone on the side. Okay. I turn around for 2 minutes, submit the form, and realize that I haven't taken. My phone is still there. on the counter at the
Ha.
bank. I go back there, it's not there anymore.
Of course.
Yeah, I make a big scene about it. I'm like,
Yeah.
fucking what the fuck, dude? What the fuck? I till date suspect this watchman who was being overly friendly. Okay, he was like, sir, ये ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे करो. अरे हाँ sir, मैं करता हूँ ना. I think it's just that fucker. Okay, I still think that. Or maybe it's just a friendly watchman
You
having a
didn't
dick.
check the
Yeah, I think you're being
So
like-
exactly, dude. The first thing you do, of course, is at a bank.
CCTV.
CCTV footage.
Yeah.
You think they would 100% have
Of
it?
course. Yeah.
I go to the guy, CCTV footage. This is at 9:30 in the morning.
Yeah.
He's like, whatever, 10 in the morning. I go to the guy and like CCTV footage. I'm like, okay, sir. He goes, he's fiddling around. I'm sitting there for
Yeah.
like a good 15 minutes. I'm just sitting there. I'm like fuming. How the fuck do you lose a phone in a fucking bank, right? I'm like, he's fiddling around. He's like, sir, CCTV on tha. I'm like, oh great. But sir, record pe nahi tha.
This is what you do when you record here.
Yeah, dude. Exactly. I'm like, how is a bank, a financial institution making the same mistakes I make? What the fuck? You know how much money is? My parents have lockers in that bank, dude. Our
That's-
jewelry and shit.
That's insane.
That
कि
is
your bank is like.
Yeah.
God, that's very funny.
Dude, if someone had robbed that bank, they would have no proof. How insane is that? I go to the cops, okay, then I go to the police station. I'm like, oh, all that IMEI shit. I'm like, I'll file a complaint against the bank because what the fuck kind of shit is
File a
this?
complaint against
Something, no,
the
because
bank.
you're
Yeah,
that
yeah,
angry
yeah.
and you're not thinking clearly. The police are like, dude, you know, the bank is not, they have CCTV for their own protection.
Yeah.
They don't have to have CCTV.
What do you mean?
If the bank decides, ki, oh, we want to do shady activities and not have a CCTV camera in
They
the
can
bank
just
today,
do that.
they can just do that.
What?
Yeah, that's what the police guy told me. I don't know if that's true or not, but
I
that's
think he just
insane.
didn't want to look for your phone.
Yeah, probably right.
Like, bro, it's gone.
That's
yeah,
also probably
that
true.
seems weird कि नहीं बैंक बंद कर सकता है
Yeah.
CCTV
But
is.
that, see, again, it makes sense. अगर चोरी हो रहा है तो बैंक का पैसा चोरी होगा ना, गवर्नमेंट का पैसा थोड़ा चोरी होगा. Although Bank of India is a government bank.
I mean,
Yeah,
I don't know.
exactly. Yeah.
I don't know.
और पैसा अपना ही जा रहा है भाई.
अरे
जिनका
नहीं
भी है
but
उसमें.
banks should have CCTV.
They should.
It's money. It's
But
Yes.
dude, then it should be illegal for them to not have it on record, right? But
Oh,
no,
yeah.
the cops
I mean,
didn't
if we go
even.
into-
do
I don't know if
anything.
it should be illegal, but it should. I mean, they should have it on. That though,
If it's
Yeah.
compulsory, then it has to be illegal to have it
like,
off.
because
right?
it's money. What do you
Exactly.
mean? CCTV?
I agree. I agree
It's
with you.
money and his
Yeah.
phone.
Yeah.
Dude, it's exactly the conversation I had
What
with them.
phone was this?
This was the Samsung Galaxy S3.
Oh,
Achha.
it's
No?
a good
yeah,
one,
yeah, Dude, yeah. The first two
Good
phones were
one.
both Galaxy S2s. I
That
lost both of them.
watchman had a fucking great
Dude,
time
yeah,
after that,
he's
dude.
chilling in life, dude.
Man, the best place to lose a phone is Dubai, dude. I'm telling you.
Because immediately
They
the sheikhs give
kill
you a new
them.
one.
Yeah, because
They
they're so
kill the
scared.
people, yeah.
I went to surprise my friend on his birthday to Dubai, I think a couple of years ago. और मैं cab से उतरा and his girlfriend was too excited that I was there, okay? And she was also a little drunk and he was already drunk.
Oh,
so
she was a
out.
drunk excited.
Huh?
Like,
She
oh
was
my
drunk
God,
excited,
Osha!
yes. So she had planned all of it.
Okay,
Like she
nice.
was coordinating with me. So
Yeah.
she came out to pick me up. Cab से मैं उतर रहा था and she was like come inside. So I was also a little frizzled. मैं ठीक है बस bag उठाया और मैं अंदर चला गया. So I wanted to capture my friend's reaction upon seeing me, right? So I'm looking for my phone before I see
Arre,
him,
arre, arre.
and I realize I don't have my phone.
Oh.
So now I'm freaking out and I'm telling her कि hey, I think I left my phone. I'm like, fuck your phone, and then she just took me inside. And now my friend is happy. He's also drunk, excited. So he's looking at me, and now I can't be a bum.
Yeah,
I can't be
dude.
like, oh, sorry, my phone go. I have to go back. So I just pretended, ki, hey, hi.
No,
hey,
you should have been like, give me a phone, fast. Okay, now go. Like, take his phone. That's the only way
Yeah.
to.
He puts the selfie camera to show himself he's not sad and shit, depressed. I just lost my phone. No, you keep it on you, dude.
But then you call the.
Yeah, then 15 minutes later, I told his family, ki, hey, this has happened. And they were so chilling about it, dude. They're like, dude, don't even worry. They'll call you themselves that they have found a phone. Because crime is so illegal in Dubai that people are scared. कि अगर कोई फ़ोन छूट गया तो हम पे नाम आ जाएगा कि हमने चोरी किया है. And that's exactly what happened. The next day, the cab driver called me. He figured it out
amazing,
कैसे
dude.
तो we had just called की कैब कंपनी को कि ऐसा ऐसा है. हमने सर डोंट वरी कल शाम तक आपके पास फ़ोन होगा. He
Yeah.
came to drop the phone himself.
That
कि
is
सर ये लो
wild.
फ़ोन आपका.
सही है हिंदी में बोला.
हाँ हिंदी वो इंडियन ही था.
Oh, सही है. सही है भाई.
हिंदुस्तानी का दर्द समझ
सही
सकता
है
है.
भाई. सही है. अच्छा है.
It's the
Wow,
best place
yeah.
to lose a phone.
That is
Oh,
crazy.
man.
Have you guys ever had birthdays at McDonald's?
Yeah, I've had.
Yeah.
Crossroads.
I've had a
McDonald's,
New Year at McDonald's when I was younger.
New
way
Year?
younger. अरे when I was like 14, 13. नहीं 14 भी नहीं उससे भी. Way back.
No, but this
when-
is like you book the McDonald's out.
No.
Like a section at McDonald's.
Section at McDonald's, yeah.
Oh,
Not
that
the
I haven't
entire
had.
Yeah.
My
McDonald's.
friends had. I've gone to
Yeah.
McDonald's, but I never had that.
I had
great.
it like 2 years in a row and
Yeah.
both the times मेरे घर के बहुत पास में था, ठीक है, तो मैं साइकिल करके जाता था मेरे बर्थडे पे कि मैं जा रहा हूँ मैकडॉनल्ड्स पे, और दोनों बार साइकिल चोरी हो गया मेरा.
क्या बात कर रहा है?
दोनों बार भाई. और मैं
तुम
उस
लोग
मॉल-
का क्या है भाई? इतना क्या चोरी हो जा रहा है?
But you don't expect your cycle to get stolen the second time also.
दोनों बार मैकडॉनल्ड्स जा रहा था.
और
किसी
वही
mall-
बंदे ने उसी दिन पे
Yeah.
आके
I don't know, the same guy, maybe.
Yeah, the same
Yeah.
portrait, dude.
One day you'll see a guy juggling on both cycles. एक पैर एक
Oh,
cycle
Ajay
पे
Devgan
दूसरे
stole
पैर.
it.
Ajay
Ajay Devgan
Devgan
stole your cycle.
Ajay Devgan
He's
stole your
practicing.
cycle, dude. He has your cycle. But
Golmaal. He's just chilling in
at
Goa.
least getting a cycle stolen is better. Once I don't know how old I was, but cycle riding age only. I was riding my cycle with my friends in my society. Mid cycling.
Yeah.
My cycle disintegrated. I'm
What?
not even kidding.
Like cycles, like the tires came off, wheels came off.
Dude, the wheel came off, the handle came to my hand. The rod जो भी होता है बीच में just fell.
What
I
the
just
fuck?
cut. I was on the floor and 7 pieces.
Yeah.
तेरी
I was
साइकिल
like,
लेगो,
what?
तेरी साइकिल लेगो से बनी हुई थी क्या भाई?
क्या पता dude? अरे वैसा कोई सस्ता साइकिल भी नहीं था. It was a good enough
Hero.
cycle.
What is it, Hero cycle?
हाँ, one of those like
Yeah.
normal cycles.
Sure, yeah.
Just randomly cut and 7 pieces. I was on the
Great.
floor. I was like, what?
I'm imagining his friend is normally cycling and then 2 minutes later कहाँ गया बे?
Yeah.
साइकिल के pieces पड़े.
Dude, yeah, exactly what happened. क्योंकि they were just पीछे देख के they were like, what?
Is
the
it the
fuck?
time when you were like overweight, when you were fat? When you were
I
like,
was,
you know?
अबे इतना
I don't know, but your mind goes there, no? Dude, this happened to me. I was in a rickshaw.
My
and-
friend, another two,
Yeah.
three friends were fatter than
Yeah.
me, dude. So
Okay, unka nahi.
Actually, I don't know if
So
the
they
cycle
loosened
was-
it. They loosened it, and then you rode it, and then they
it
broke.
was the most insane thing
Yeah.
to happen. कि part खत्म. My cycle's just gone.
Dude, I was
7
once in a
pieces.
rickshaw. Okay, and you know, it was raining,
Yeah.
and suddenly the rickshaw. The guy told me मेरा tire निकल गया. I'm like,
Tire
tire निकल
निकल गया?
Yeah, because the rickshaw just stopped. Okay,
Yeah.
I saw outside the tire had become this.
But did you
Sir.
feel it like you were sitting in
I
the
saw
rickshaw?
something happen. I'm like,
Yeah.
oh, कुछ कट्टा वट्टा लगा होगा. But the tire had just become this. And that immediately makes you think, dude, how fat am I?
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah,
Dude,
yeah,
this guy's been
fair.
going for years on this.
Yeah,
Okay, he's been
बैठा एक
completely
बार.
fine. Nothing, no problems. I sit one day.
But was it as a hill or just?
It was regular road, bro. There wasn't even a ghatta. It just broke.
सर आपके साइड का
Yeah.
टायर ही गया. आप जहाँ बैठे थे वही वाला टायर गया. Oh man.
But the cycle thing is insane.
Yeah,
Dude,
I
two
know,
times is
I
mad.
know, I know. I don't know what to tell. And it's not like I've not gone to that mall on a cycle outside of my birthday. I have. My
It's like
cycle was
tempting
there.
अच्छा दोनों बार बर्थडे के टाइम
But
ही गया.
birthday के
Dude.
time ही दोनों.
Bro,
Someone
what if-
knew.
what if-
Someone knew.
What if Ronald McDonald came and stole your bike? It's like every
I want to
birthday.
teach him a
Dude,
lesson.
कोई जबरदस्ती रिटर्न गिफ्ट लिया तेरे से. तू दे भी नहीं रहा था रिटर्न गिफ्ट. He was like, yeah, मेरा रिटर्न गिफ्ट.
Happy meal के अंदर बाइक लेके जा रहे हो.
Oh man. Oh, wait,
Oh,
you wanted to say, you guys.
Oh yeah,
Oh.
yeah. So
Bro.
remember how we are nominated for a podcast award?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it is the HT Smartcast Podmasters.
It's not your award. Why are you saying
No,
it
no,
in
you,
an
you'll
AI
understand.
voice?
You'll understand.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay,
sorry.
I was just introducing it properly.
Oh,
Yeah,
sorry,
yeah,
sorry,
full context.
sorry.
They
Sorry,
should
sir.
know.
Okay.
Go ahead.
This
go ahead.
is an award that I've won.
What is
Yeah.
the award again?
HT Smartcast, Hindustan Times Smartcast Podmasters
2025
is what the Spender Bender podcast is
Happening
nominated
at ITC Maratha, by the way.
for. Yeah, which is again.
They have good dal
Great.
bukhara.
You
Yeah.
would think
What is
Dal
that?
bukhara.
Dal
so. You would
bukhara.
think they have good taste.
Yeah.
Right, and they nominated us again.
Yeah.
Shows good taste.
Great taste.
Right. Then I get a call today. Okay, and the woman's like, "Hey man, you put 2 of your shows on the nomination list this year.
Yeah.
That Filmy Game Show and Spender Bender.
Yeah.
So that Filmy." We can't put it again in the same most innovative podcast category. I'm like,
It's
okay,
been
yeah.
innovated, brother.
What are you gonna
Yeah,
do?
you can't keep
You can't,
innovating.
you can't just same thing can't be innovative next year also. I'm like,
This
okay,
is
that makes
fair,
sense.
understandable.
Yeah, this is fair.
Yeah.
Okay. Then
Very
yeah,
funny.
again very fair. Okay. So I'm like, okay, yeah, fine. I laughed also.
yeah.
Then she's like, okay, so regarding Spender Bender, would you
Yeah.
be attending the event?
Yeah.
Because Spender Bender, we got a confirmation mail that we are
Yeah.
nominated and
Yeah,
yeah.
shortlisted in the final
Yeah.
finalists.
Finalists.
Yes, you can still vote
We
for
paid
us.
500 for that nomination. Huh.
$9.99.
Fuck.
But
oh,
that's not
God.
that's not the half of it
That's-
because
yeah,
she
yeah.
calls me and says, "Okay, so will you be attending?" I'm like, "Yeah, the 3 of us, the hosts and me,
Yeah.
would love to attend." She was like, "Yeah, great. So can we put down as confirmation?" I'm like, "Yeah." So we get passes, right?
Yeah.
Because literally, I remember reading in the email that the
Yeah.
email said, for the hosts, like the hosts can attend,
Yeah.
like they get
Yeah.
passes to attend,
Yeah.
and anyone else from the team will have to buy passes.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm like, chalo, theek hai, that's also fair. At least the hosts get to attend.
Yeah.
That's how it should be, right?
Yeah.
So I asked her, okay, so my hosts can attend, get passes for free, and I have to pay for only one ticket, right? She's like, no, actually, let me just check because I think, as far as I know, both hosts have to pay.
Huh?
Okay, to attend a thing where they are getting awarded. Okay, so I'm like, dude, that doesn't make any sense. Can you please literally get back to me in
What?
2 minutes? Please check this and get back. So she must have like, followed up because she didn't. All the people she must have talked to earlier in the day weren't aware of the email or didn't go through the fine print in the email.
Yeah.
Okay, or they can
Or
afford the
maybe more
tickets or
shows than
whatever.
one host.
Yeah, or,
Right?
yeah.
So maybe
yeah.
that.
Wait,
No,
wait,
I'm
wait.
so- yeah, okay,
wait.
yeah,
Okay,
completed,
so she
yeah.
calls me back up 2 minutes later, and she's like, so yeah, following up on that. So one host. So she says a host is allowed to come. So I'm like, oh, you mean then the hosts are allowed to come? She's like, no. You have how many hosts? I was like, 2 hosts. So like, no. When we said hosts can attend, we meant one host.
Yeah.
Hosts of the
Of
shows,
the shows.
can attend.
Fuck are they talking
So
about?
one host can attend, and then we have to. First, she tried to make me buy 3 tickets, which dude, everybody fined like $500. It's 4,999
Yeah.
a pass.
5,000
for a pass.
for
So
HT Smart Card
Dude.
Pod Masters.
Okay, and then she tries to like sell it. Okay, so I'm like, dude, you expect? I literally said this like, so wait, it's 4,999. You want me to buy? You want me to spend 15,000 to attend your event? Okay, so she's like, it's not just the award show, sir. There's gonna be speakers from Spotify. You get to network with them. I'm like, dude, I've attended these seminars with these Spotify fuckers. All of them speak out of their ass and don't know anything. Every seminar that Spotify does.
You said that?
No, I didn't say this.
Arey,
Yeah, मैं अपने podcast
Oh,
में
I'm
ad
saying
कर-
this too.
Yeah.
Yeah,
HT.
if you're watching this.
We'll make a reel and
Yeah,
send
dude,
this to you. What the fuck are you guys talking
Makes no
about,
sense,
dude?
The host cannot attend. They're like, dude, the second host will have to buy a pass.
Yeah,
And then you also.
5,000. I'm
Ridiculous.
sorry, 5.
Also, how do they expect us to decide which host go? Do we rock, paper, scissors? What the fuck does that
Dude,
mean?
and this is fucked, okay? Because imagine, like,
Fuck
Desi-
your dal
say-
bukhara, dude. I don't
Yeah.
give a fuck.
say someone like Desi Crime gets nominated.
Yeah.
Okay? I don't think they're asking those 2 hosts. They're big. They're big as podcasters. I don't think they're asking them to pay individual entry
if
fee and all, dude.
They probably would have asked them when they were just also starting out. Now
Oh,
they won't.
now
Now they
they'll be
want them
invites.
on the poster,
That's
of
true.
course.
That's
I'm
absolutely
sorry,
right. That's
first,
fucked.
first,
It's insane.
Yeah.
no wait, first you pay 900 whatever
999
to get your
to get
to get a
nomination.
nomination in there.
Then you pay 5,000
What are these
to
tactics?
go there, listen to some fuck all Spotify person
Yeah.
talk about Spotify.
Okay, so again Spotify, okay?
No,
Coming
we
to
like Spotify, by the way.
No,
That's
we
it.
love
Great.
Spotify,
Spotify is
but we're
great.
not
Yeah.
paying 5,000 to listen
Correct.
to you. I'm
Also,
sorry.
they're available on Spotify now, so
Yeah,
please.
Yeah, watch us on Spotify.
But Spotify, every.
I'm sorry, this is.
yeah.
I took it out on you,
Yeah,
Spotify,
it's
guys.
not on
I'm-
Spotify. We're
yeah,
mad
yeah.
at Podmasters 2025.
Yeah, I'm
Dude,
pissed at
but
them.
anything that Spotify will always send some podcast representative from the
Yeah,
podcast wing
yeah,
yeah.
to these seminars and
Correct.
speeches, what have you. There'll always be a panel with someone
Yeah.
from Spotify. Okay. And this person will always, every single time, talk about monetization when it comes to podcasts. Okay,
Yeah.
how Spotify is working towards monetizing your content.
Yeah.
Okay, we want every listen to
Yeah.
be paid for
Yeah.
for
So
the creator.
to listen to this,
No,
you
no,
have to
wait,
pay
wait,
5,000.
Yeah, to listen to this, you have to pay 5,000. But also you realize after paying that 5,000 that whatever the Spotify guy is saying doesn't apply to India.
Yeah, it's just in general they're trying
Only
to
in
do
the US
this.
and
That-
UK.
Dude, that I've seen in Colin and Samir wala.
Yeah, you have
wahi
Colin
hai na?
and Samir, yeah, correct, correct.
They had
Yeah,
that
yeah.
podcast.
Yeah,
They had
correct.
a
Spotify guy?
Yeah, they had the Spotify CEO, I think.
Okay, okay.
He talked about monetization.
Yeah.
वो तो मैं वही सुन लेता भाई free में.
Exactly,
Free.
what's the
हाँ.
point?
For absolutely.
This is some
No sense.
representative.
Directly
That's
from
the
the
CEO.
CEO.
Yeah, he
Colin.
said that. He didn't.
It's
No, 5,000 is. Oh my
Yeah,
god.
Yeah,
I'm
and it's
pissed.
insane because I had to convince Govind ki hey,
Yeah.
we should go because we'll get free dal bukhara.
Dude,
now
dal
we
bukhara
can just
again, yeah.
order it, dude.
Yeah,
and
Hey,
it'll be
sorry.
much
Cheaper,
cheaper.
yeah.
Podmasters, how are you and Guns N' Roses priced the same? A band that's been around for 30 years. Okay, the
Hey.
fucking legends.
They also said we can network.
I'd rather network with
Network.
Guns N' Roses paying more.
Insane.
I'd pay
That is
more
wild.
for
That is
VIP
wild.
seats.
So
and
for all three of us, we have to pay 10 K
Yeah.
at least. Okay,
I'm sorry.
For the two of you to attend, you have to be at least.
can we
5K.
get that money back? The
The
nomination
999
wala money back.
Dude, these are just tactics. What is HT के इतने बुरे दिन आ गए हैं? This is the tactics
how
they have to
they
use
pay
to get
the
my.
rent at fucking ITC, dude.
That's
they
also,
take
yeah,
it from
sorry,
the
dude.
people they have nominated. They're like, oh, we'll get to interact
This is
with people.
insane.
That is
I didn't
crazy.
know.
That's
I knew
crazy.
people paid for awards, but
Yeah.
Yeah, but like Oscars.
What if,
So,
dude,
dude,
what
again,
if we
so-
don't even win after
Okay,
this?
so okay, I'm actually, if you think about it, in the category that we are nominated in, which is again
Yeah.
the best innovative format
Yeah.
podcast, we are the most innovative format.
Yeah.
Okay,
Sure.
in terms of what the theme of this show is, it's
Yeah.
a very unique theme,
Yeah.
and not many people have a unique theme like this. So we
Sure.
should win that award. I'm sure like a lot of our people have voted and are fine. Okay, the thing is, now I'm thinking if we don't pay these
That'd be so
tickets,
cool.
yeah,
Then-
do the Amir Khan thing.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
We didn't attend a Filmfare Award, so we did give him an
That's what I
award.
was gonna
That's
say. Exactly
How many
that.
Amir Khan-
happened. Suddenly we're not innovative at
but,
all.
but it's very different. आमिर खान did it कि वो तो बड़ा है.
हाँ.
We're doing it क्योंकि 5,000 का टिकट है. तो उसके लिए नहीं जा रहे हम कि 5,000 नहीं बहुत महंगा हो गया हम नहीं जा पाएंगे हम जो अवार्ड कलेक्ट कर रहे हैं. If we win the award, you won the award.
I won the award, yes.
It changes nothing, right?
Changes nothing, yeah.
Fuck
Yeah,
that,
of
dude.
course
Then.
it doesn't
But
change
no, but
anything.
for a month or two, you get to say, yeah, I won an award.
अबे
That's
fuck
it.
that, dude. I
That's it,
don't.
dude.
अब 5,000 देके
Yeah.
तो मैं नहीं कर रहा.
That's
I have to
fine.
take up another project because I want to win an award.
अबे मैं कल
Right.
मेरे उस सेविंग्स में से पैसे निकाल रहा था किस चीज के लिए पॉडमास्टर करने के लिए रेंट नहीं है मेरे पास अगले महीने पॉडमास्टर से 5,000 दूंगा
Oh, dude.
Man, award functions are so weird, dude. This is.
yeah and
Does everyone pay or does everyone not pay? I want to know if others are
At this
paying.
one or in other awards?
This one.
This one, now that they said this, I'm sure everyone's getting this call.
What's her name or his name?
Oh, I'm forgetting, yeah.
yeah
Something with
उनका
some-
आधार नंबर निकाल
सब
एड्रेस
भाई,
दे
सब।
something like Trupti or Shruti or something.
अब क्या सब-
Is there an
Trupti-
Instagram page? We should look for the Instagram page, and if there is, guys, please go and comment.
Guys,
What should they
unvote
comment?
for us.
Yeah, just unvote for us. Get us at 900
Get us
rupees
out
back.
of this.
or vote for us that we are undeniable, so that
Yeah.
we know for a fact if they don't give it to us, it was rigged.
It's rigged.
But how would we know? So
I
that's
think
the
out
way
of
to
like how many podcasts are nominated in this category?
I think like 5 or 6.
Like
in our
5 or
category,
6.
yeah.
I think like 2 will probably go because they will have like one host, so they are
Dude,
going to for
if
free.
they make all of them pay 5 में से 25,000
Yeah.
and if they all have 2 hosts,
Yeah.
that's 50,000.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
From
And there are
one category.
multiple
That's
categories.
ridiculous, dude.
कम से कम 15-20 category
Bro,
है. So
that's
they'll
ridiculous.
make money on top
Yeah.
of this.
अबे
That's
5,000 देके
Yeah.
वो ट्रॉफी उससे सस्ता होगा
So
यार.
also,
जो
you know
मिल
why
रहा
they
है.
do this, right? All award shows are basically to establish the organizing party as an authority in that space.
Yeah.
Right? This is how you do it, dude.
Wait, who's
By
the,
fucking
who's on
charging
the
dumb
poster?
money.
Like who's like the
Oh,
headliner of this?
so like people from
Basic
Hubhopper.
man.
Hubhopper is like it's like a distribution platform. There'll be someone on Spotify. There'll be someone from IVM.
They have
Cyrus will be there.
sponsors. Cyrus will be there paying
Cyrus will be there.
5,000.
no, Cyrus, I
Man-
think will have to
Mantra-
pay
yeah.
5,000.
Cyrus would have to pay 5,000. That's crazy.
But I do want to go
Yeah.
and see Cyrus and his
Yeah.
sandals
Wait, I'm
there.
sorry. Cyrus will be out in the evening.
That's a rare one.
That's mad. He
Also,
never
that's-
gets out.
I think that's part of his, just to
Yeah,
appease.
it's his deal with IBM.
Yeah,
let's
with
be
IBM.
real. Okay, that's why he
That's
has
probably
to
it.
go.
I
Yeah.
once went on Cyrus's. One time I've been there. He was
Again,
at.
yeah,
He
very
is
fun.
like 10 a.m. I was
Yes.
like, that is just insane.
Always.
I have to
He only records at
get
10
up and
a.m.,
go.
yeah.
And then I made sure I get up early enough. I was half asleep. I got ready. I was like, chalo nikalte hai. And I was 15 minutes late because I'm going from Kandivali to Khar.
yeah,
कहीं ना
yeah.
कहीं थोड़ा 5 मिनट उधर होता है हो ही जाता है. I was so stressed, dude, because I was like, Cyrus is on time
But
always.
the thing is, again, anyone who here who watches Cyrus says also will know that the
Everyone's
running
late.
joke on the phone
Is
on that show is that
Everyone's late.
almost every episode at least one person is late.
Yeah,
if
I
it's a
know.
panel of like 3 people.
सुबह 10
Very-
बजे
very
यार
common.
क्या
हाँ.
मतलब.
Yeah, yeah.
अबे मैं उसके लिए कुछ लिख रहा था which was shooting at IBM office
Correct,
only
yeah.
और मैं तो बाजू में रहता हूँ मैं तब भी
हाँ.
लेट था.
Correct.
We had to shoot
अरे,
it in the morning.
You can say what you were
Because
shooting by the way.
Cyrus- Huh?
It was a very cool project. You should say what you were shooting with him by the way.
What cricket story?
Yeah, Mumbai Indians के साथ ना.
Oh no, that was just one of the things I did with him.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Ah,
like
okay,
yeah,
yeah,
we
yeah,
were
correct.
that's also a very funny story. I'll tell them, but I know nothing about cricket. Okay,
Yeah,
like,
that's very
just
funny.
close to nothing.
Dude, it's you and me, and I worked on KKR. You worked
Yeah,
on
I
Mumbai
worked on
Indians.
Mumbai
It's insane.
I'm sorry.
Oh,
all
also,
three
yes.
of us.
Of course.
I went and met
Yes,
Brian
Brian
Lara.
Lara.
You though went to a different country.
dude.
I watch nothing.
That's the-
No cricket.
Insane. Insane. IPL वाले किसी को भी हायर कर लेंगे भाई.
KKR, Mumbai Indians, Brian Lara. We all
West
just met
Indies, bro.
professional cricketers who are famous. And we
insane,
all
man.
watch, maybe together
Yeah.
we've watched one match
Yeah,
total.
yeah.
Collectively. मतलब
15 मिनट करके एक मैच देखा होगा हमने.
कोई फाइनल देखा होगा
Yeah,
IPL का या
क्योंकि
कुछ.
कोई देख रहा था घर में and we couldn't change the channel. That's the only
Exactly.
reason.
That's so
But anyway, I was doing something with him for Mumbai Indians और मैं script लिख रहा था और so the 3 cricketers who were gonna come were Jasprit Bumrah, Surya Kumar Yadav and Ishan Kishan, ठीक है?
Okay.
And I knew of these guys. Like I knew that they are cricketers.
Sure,
That's
yeah.
I did not know actually Ishan Kishan कौन था. मुझे बस बुमराह पता था. मुझे और बाकी तो नहीं पता थे. Bumrah also because of my flatmate Shreyas, he's big into cricket. Anyway,
Okay.
I'm writing the script और मैंने script में usually लोग उसको sky करके बुला रहे थे ना. तो सब sky बोल रहे हैं. So while Cyrus is introducing him like in the script, I have written Satya Kumar.
Surya Kumar Yadav. Bro, this is crazy.
Satya
had-
Kumar is so funny, man.
Dude, I've had the exact same thing happen on during an episode of Cyrus Says to me, where I've been on the show and instead of saying it's Surya Kumar Yadav, I said Surya Prakash Yadav. So I made him spy instead of
Dude,
Sky.
there's just Satya Prakash
Yes,
that's
Satya-
left. तुम
Satya
दोनों का
Prakash
मिला
Yadav.
के
Yes.
Satya Prakash बना दो.
Prakash Yadav.
Oh,
Yeah, it was
fuck.
insane, dude. Because
Dude.
for like a week or so, I had to just nod so much because Cyrus would just keep talking about. You know, like,
Yeah, correct.
yeah, dude, that match, yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Also, our Instagram page got shut down. Suspended.
Suspended,
This week.
For no reason.
Dude, and it's not just that. It seems like a conspiracy against Govind Menon.
Yeah.
because-
And
Sala
like,
curse.
Arey, dude, dono this podcast F1 podcast and Yash Barse from my F1 podcast, his account got
Yes,
suspended.
Drivers to
came
Survive
back,
in case
Drivers
you-
to survive. And Yash Barse's burner account, Vivian, who's also a part of F1, the F1 Drivers to Survive podcast, his burner account also
What?
went same time, all at the same time
How
went.
is this possible? I don't get it.
All at the same time, just
And
went
how does
away.
Pendamenter come in there somehow? I mean, like,
dude, that's
it's
why
so
we've
confusing.
made a new account. Please follow
Yeah,
that on
please.
Instagram.
Yes, firstly that.
I haven't logged in.
Yeah.
I'm not going to log in. I don't want to log in, dude.
You
What?
logged into the news pandemic?
I won't.
Not before we get this sorted somehow.
Yeah. I'm not going to log. I'm scared.
क्या
Man.
बात कर रहे हो login
Yeah.
नहीं किया?
I won't log in.
Yeah. So basically, let's run people down what happened, right?
Yeah.
We get one
No,
of us.
I'll tell you
yeah,
exactly what
please.
happened. I woke up, I tried to see if we got any followers that day, and the account was just not there.
Yeah.
Just nothing.
Nothing.
Then I checked my emails, and I had one email from Instagram which said the page did not follow community guidelines, so we are suspending it.
How is that
And that was
impossible?
the end of it.
Okay, now I'll tell you more. The previous night, I was half asleep watching
Yeah.
TV or something, and I saw on the F1 podcast Driver to Survive group, कुछ तो Siddhartha Shetty was saying something कि अरे what the fuck ये सब क्या हो रहा है, but I was half asleep.
Yeah.
So I was like, okay, I'm gonna go to sleep. कुछ पता नहीं क्या हुआ है. And I woke up. Shetty had sent me a screenshot of it being suspended. I was like, what the fuck? It got suspended.
Yeah.
1 hour later, he sent me one being like, it's suspended. I was like, what? Wait, what the
Yeah.
fuck?
My
And
life
then-
is falling apart.
Yeah. Like, what the fuck happened? And then Yash also told me his account had gotten suspended. It came back though.
Yeah.
Oh, he
His
did?
came back.
Account.
Yeah,
His
Yash's
came
account
back.
came back,
His
the personal
main account
account.
came back.
Vivian's is still not back.
No, I mean
Vivian
the burner
did not
accounts
have-
have
अच्छा, burner
gone,
account didn't
but
come
they were
back.
like, it doesn't matter. Burner accounts चलेगा
Yeah.
ठीक है, but it's I don't know what it is. Then we're
Yeah.
talking to a Meta person now. We're on the group. On that group is also Hoshang and Yash
From Drivers,
yeah,
yeah.
from Drivers to Survive and me and 2 people from Meta. And I was telling this to someone. Group का नाम देख के ऐसा लगता है कि मैं तो Meta के साथ काम कर रहा हूँ. Govind X Meta. ऐसा लगता है कि भाई क्या काम ही कर रहा है ये Meta. मैं every day I'm just begging कि please,
Guys.
please मेरे account वापस दे दो guys, please दे दो.
And what have they been receptive?
Nothing.
Yeah, we'll
They've just been like, अरे time लगता है थोड़ा. So we'd rather start because you guys, a lot of you haven't followed us, so we have very few followers.
Yeah.
We had
Please, just
You know
Very
what's
few-
insane that we've already
Yeah.
gotten 1/3 of the followers back.
Yeah.
That's not cool.
You know what would be awesome? What would be awesome if somehow this new account,
Yeah.
because we are saying this, right?
Yeah.
Please go follow. Okay.
Yeah, please.
So
Yes.
if this account gets more than the previous account,
Yeah.
followers wise, and by the time we get that back, we're like, oh, maybe
No,
we
no, we
shouldn't.
don't want it. Take it back.
No,
take
take
it back. We'll just not tell people
Go and
the whole
leave the
account is
group.
back.
Go
We'll
and
just
leave the
delete it.
group.
I was talking to Nivedita. She, I think when we put a post or something,
Yeah,
Nivedita
yeah.
texted me being like, "What the fuck? What happened?" I told her, "Kya re ye hua?" And she was like, "I was like, we're starting a new page." She was like, "No, don't do that. You'll get your own page back."
Yeah.
I was like, "We didn't have many followers, so it's fine. This makes more sense." She was like, "Oh, I thought you had 20,000 followers." I was like, "Wow, that is
Thank you, man.
Please
Wow.
make Nivedita's dream come
Yeah.
true by getting us
I
to
think she
20,000.
Made me feel worse. I was like,
Yeah.
20,000.
She saw 2,000 followers on YouTube and just put her extra zero.
I have been lying to people a little bit. Like, how many followers? Like, we had like 1,400 something. Like, oh, 2,000.
Now it's 3.
And when we reached 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, we had put out a post. Someone was like, "Oh, I thought you guys had 10,000."
Like, dude, so did we.
wow, dude.
कब तक underrated रहे हम? क्या है ये underrated?
And this is why Podmaster has the balls to ask us for money because
Yeah.
you guys are not subscribing and following.
You already know how much we're spending for this show, guys. What the hell? You want to
Yeah,
buy
man,
more?
we can't spend on getting an award.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, we have our budget set aside for this show, dude.
So
Man.
just please follow us on Instagram, subscribe.
Yeah,
Please
subscribe also.
subscribe.
Yeah.
It's mad, man. 33 episodes down now. Now we're starting again on Instagram.
Yeah.
But it's okay. It's okay.
Nobody
We
love
will-
you
Yeah.
guys. You
Yeah. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. This cost 14,000. This wallpaper.
This
just
was
saying.
11.
Yeah, yeah. तुम लोग से क्या छुपाना भाई?
My
ये बहुत पैसा
my
लगा है,
shirt
ये-
was 6K.
This is an old Zara t-shirt. This is not. I don't remember. But yeah, तुम लोग से क्या छुपाना? 30,000 लगा है इसका.
भाई, बताओ.
और एक आईफोन जो शूट करते हैं वो भी खरीदा हुआ है हमने.
Yes.
तो
एक लैम्प 2,000 का है भाई.
हाँ भाई
Yeah.
थोड़ा.
वो 2500 मांग रहा था, हैगल करके 2,000 में लाया.
अब थोड़ा चीप लग रहा है ये सब बोलते हुए मगर
This adding cost. This mic is for.
ये अब थोड़ा चीप लगने लग गया. 3-4 चीजें हो गया इसलिए ये थोड़ा अजीब लग रहा है कि ये 3,000 का है, ये 2,000 का है, ये बट फॉलो कर लो. वही बेसिक पॉइंट वो है कि फॉलो कर लो.
And yeah, that's the end of the episode. Thank you
Yes.
so much for watching. Oh, hashtag. Do we have a hashtag? Fuck Podmasters.
नहीं वो थोड़ा aggressive हो
हो
गया.
गया.
Fuck Spotify.
No. Make it please
No, no,
fuck Podmaster. Kindly.
No. Hashtag.
Hashtag follow us on Spend a Better
अबे क्या भाई
Instagram.
और थोड़ा लंबा एक पैराग्राफ ही कर देना फिर इसका.
ये सब YouTube पे आएगा. Follow us on Instagram.
Hashtag no more underrated.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
That's good.
Hashtag
Yeah.
no more underrated. I mean, उसके बाद भी will be
Will be
underrated.
underrated.
but,
Doesn't really matter.
like, won't change the fact. But hashtag no more
Hashtag
underrated.
no more
कर दो.
underrated.
And thank you for watching this episode. And also tell us what you feel about Antriksh's shirt. This is the
Yeah.
first time I've seen him in blue.
Yeah.
So it's
a
great.
nice shirt.
It's a nice shirt. I
Yeah.
like this
The
shirt.
first time we have complimented Antarikshit on its fashion choice, so it's
Yeah.
a big day.
तेरे छाती के बाल दिख रहे हैं मगर अच्छा लग रहा है.
That's by design, man.
अच्छा लग रहा है
That's
क्योंकि हर बार मैं शर्ट अच्छा सोच रहा हूँ छाती के बाल भी दिख रहे हैं उसके साथ तो
Why not, man?
अच्छा लगा.
Anil Kapoor.
बस,
But
बस.
great.
चलो.
But thank you so much for watching.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye. Bye.